There are 5 elements of culture. भजन, भाषा, भेष, भोजन, and bhavan. Bhavan represents architecture. So architecture is one of the most important elements of culture. Hi, this is architect Gokul Goyal from Quadrical Design Studio, Hisar. Let me take you through my home, the Endraped House, which is a renovation and an expansion project. For detailed walkthrough and PDF ebooks, visit buildofire.com. Link is in the description. 365 दिन हमारे अलग ही 365 माहौल बनाते हैं, अलग अलग त्योहार आते हैं. हमारे घर हमारे मौसम और हमारे कल्चर और हमारे त्योहारों के हिसाब से भी होने चाहिए. Culture can be incorporated in the modern times. पहले एक ये 2 फैमिलीज के लिए बिल्डर ने एक बिल्डिंग बनाई हुई थी जो कि 90 to 95% होम्स एरिया में ऐसे ही होते हैं. पीछे 2 बेडरूम, आगे एक ड्राइंग रूम, बीच में किचन, लॉबी. सेट पैटर्न के अंदर हमें हमारी फैमिली की लाइफ डालनी थी. Project is located in Hisar, Haryana. The plot is west facing. Plot area is 30 feet by 75 feet and the built up area is 4650 square feet. This is the pedestrian entrance through a foyer kind of a situation. This transition is celebrated by a chevron pattern created with Kota stone of leather finish. And then you are received by an entrance gateway which has arches and motifs engraved into it. Common area, the double height space, is inspired by Pushkar. Brahmasthan is the center of the home. So as Pushkar is the home of Brahma, as a tribute, we represented it like the motifs and the colors of Pushkar. This space was created for temple in the northeast of this common area. So this beautiful piece of chandelier has been created from bamboo basically. Whenever we sit on the dining and just look up, circular एक illusion सा create करता है. All the spaces are being defined by different colors representing different cities of India. So the drawing room is being inspired by Bikaner. ये स्पेस हमारे घर की जान है. द ड्राइंग रूम कम लिविंग रूम, और हमारे टर्म्स में अगर हम बोलें तो बैठक. कोई भी फॉर्मल गेस्ट आते हैं, दे हैव सफिशिएंट बैक स्पेस. इसकी डेप्थ हमने ज़्यादा ली हुई है. इफ़ अ पर्सन वांट्स टू सिट कैजुअली, ऐसे क्रॉस लेग करके बैठ सकते हैं. They can also lay down like this and watch the television The master bedroom is been inspired by Mysuru. We tried to give a tribute to the green capital of India. Below the staircase, we come towards the guest bedroom, which is inspired by Blue City of Jodhpur. Curtains are very flowery and very motive heavy. Passage towards the first floor is from two methods. We have created two staircases, one from the inside and one from the outside. जो बाहर की staircase है, it is a separate staircase for the clients and the office visitors and the staff members. This office space is being inspired by Jaisalmer. Since we wanted to provide a very earthy and toned down look and feel, this is the working station zone. So this flooring of this office hall is basically inspired by the pond of the Jaisalmer. Fishes are being rendered by granite. This, what I feel, one of the most important spaces जो कि जनरली लोग नेगलेक्ट करते हैं, एक सेमी ओपन स्पेस जहाँ पर लोग अपने प्राइवेट फोन कॉल्स अटेंड कर सकते हैं. They can also have their lunch outside. About the ceiling of this office, the primary material chosen was the chick bamboo. In my office, all my college time models are also displayed, giving it a layered look of a fortress just like a Jaisalmer. The master bedroom is inspired by the city of Jaipur. So it is rendered pink with a little bit of modernity, geometry and motifs. Since it is a west facing home, ये जैसे आप देख रहे हैं, these are the flowy elements. जो framing है वो MS में fabricate किया and उसके ऊपर हमने bamboo को criss cross ऐसे install किया, so that there is a even gap between the bamboo to let the light in. Broadly, the materials that are used are somewhat related to India. Either it is Kota stone, even teak wood, जनरली जो टाइल्स हैं या जो ग्रेनाइट है, देयर ओरिजिनल प्रोसेस ऑफ फॉर्मेशन इज़ अ हीटिंग प्रोसेस. ग्रेनाइट इज़ अ इग्नियस रॉक, लावा से बनता है, एंड टाइल बेसिकली हीटिंग से बनती है. थ्रू आउट देयर लाइफ दे विल रेडिएट सम अमाउंट ऑफ हीट, माइक्रॉन्स में ही सही, लेकिन दे विल ऑलवेज रेडिएट हीट. Whereas Kota stone or any limestone for that matter, it will always radiate some sort of cooling effect. जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द फ्लोरिंग हमारे 3 से 4 डिग्री का डिफरेंस आ जाता है. A scope of work in a renovation is never defined. हमें नहीं पता होता कि हमें क्या तोड़ना है और हमें क्या बनाना है. Since designed by me and I am now experiencing my design, what I feel कि हाँ, यहाँ ऐसा लगता है कि यार हाँ, हम अपने देश में रहते हैं, हम अपने कल्चर के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं. इट मेक्स अस प्राउड. इस घर से जो हमें वाइब्स मिलते हैं, उससे हम घर के बाहर भी हमारे कल्चर को प्रमोट करते हैं.